Hello friends, we are back with a new subscription box for you all. This is DIY September kit. So sorry for the late upload. We hope you will love this box. So without further ado, let's get jump into the video. Before we start with the video, please make sure that you hit on the red subscribe button which is just below the video and also press on the bell icon next to it so that you get notification of our new videos. Isn't this so beautiful? Like, look at those lights, those flowers. This is giving such a festive vibes, and even this is such a great option for home decor. So let's dig in the box and see the content one by one. The box has total 5 items in it. So this is how you will be getting the box if you order. So let's look at the items one by one. So you will be getting these things as shown in the video. The very first item is these stockings. You will be getting 2 stockings of random colors. Next is a floral tape. And then you will be getting 2 packets of these pollens and 10 bunches will be there in each packet. Next is 20 golden string wires. And last not the least, a string of fairy lights. Okay, so we have taken out these 2 stockings from their packets. As mentioned earlier, you will get 2 of them in random colors. One packet will contain 3 stockings each, so you will be getting enough clothing material to make stocking flowers. Now take one strand of wire from the kit. Now you will need any small round bottle or anything of that sort in case you want to make a round flower. Encircle the wire around the bottle as shown in the video. This will ensure that your petals are of same size. Now with the help of scissors, cut the extra wire. Here one petal is ready. It will look like this. Repeat the step to make more petals. So we are taking 5 petals for one flower. Now take any thread that is available with you. And now follow the steps as shown in the video. The petals will look like this. Now take the pollens from the kit. Take this fairy light as well. Now cut a pollen strand into 2 pieces. And with the help of a thread, tie the pollens to the light as shown here. Now tie the petals around the light one by one using the thread as shown in the video. When you are done with the process, the flower will look like this. Now take the floral tape from the kit. Cover it upon the thread so that it looks neat and all the threads will go underneath it. Do it with other lights as well. You have total 20 lights in one string that you will be getting, so you need to make 20 flowers. You can make different shapes of flowers as well. This is just a demo. We already know you guys are very creative, so it's time for you to show us your creativity through this kit. This is so beautiful. Can't stop looking at those beautiful flowers. So this is the switch that you need to plug in for the light show. Tada! Here it is. To place the order for this DIY September kit, check the link in the description box below. As usual, there will be one winner chosen who will create the best creation using this kit, and the winner will be getting the next month's subscription box absolutely free.